foundation in what Caribbean island was R&B superstar Rihanna born?
But Jamaica.
The answer is incorrect. It's Barbados. Little longer.
Now, people, this just goes to show how powerful social media actually is. Social media is one of the greatest influencers to young minds. You understand? And this is just another sign of the things that can happen when children pay attention too much to social media. Now, if you don't understand what I talk about, let me give you an understanding. So, for the past couple of weeks, there has been crazy things going on social media where it goes to persons putting out memes saying that Rihanna, yes, Rihanna is actually Jamaican and she was born in Jamaica and her birthright is Jamaican, right? And people, the memes that were being circulated on social media was so believable. Yo, me see one personally for myself, the one who convinced me most. Well, me know Rihanna is not Jamaican and she was not born in Jamaica, but yo, this meme that I saw was so convincing was one where they put together a speech by the Jamaican Prime Minister, right? And saying that Rihanna is actually Jamaican. And there were many others which were saying the very same thing. And people, if you did not know any better, you would believe that Rihanna was actually born and made in Jamaica. You understand? Now it's just sad to see that these little children, these poor little kids span them little competition got so confused because you could have heard them know the right answer, you know, because them say Barbados and then them just shout out Jamaica. You understand? That is the sad part about it. It just goes to show that social media influenced them so much that it confused them poor little brain. You understand what I say? Now if you add a little funny twist to this whole thing, in the whole process of everything where the people them say, yo, Rihanna is Jamaican and the memes, the crazy amount of memes that come out, somebody go in at them wrong mind and go put out a picture of Mr. Vegas. So you know Mr. Vegas already. It's high, kill everything now. See? And them go put out a picture of Mr. Vegas and says Barbados is claiming Mr. Vegas. Now, people, Barbados is claiming Mr. Vegas. Oh, no one to hear the response where the Jamaicans respond under the picture with the meme where the people them put out say Barbados is claiming Mr. Vegas. The people them put under the picture say, yo, you can't keep him, we don't want. But yet still, the Jamaicans are own up Rihanna and say, yo, you can keep Mr. Vegas. We don't want him. One comment when me say, somebody comment and say, of all the persons for Barbados claim say them want, you choose Mr. Vegas. Eh? I really Mr. Vegas who no claim. What about people? Chat to me down in the comment section. Give your opinion. It's Unstoppable Opinions.